welcome to episode 6 of Arizona Adventures. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
We are at Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument, and we are going to take the Bull Canyon Trail right back here. Here we go.
Follow me to the sunshine, come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher than we climb, I know somewhere that you and I, we could stay wild, wild. We could stay wild, wild.
It says it's easy on the flat, and then easy to moderate on the steep sections. Let's see what we actually experience. We can do this, right? Bull Pasture is part of the Ajo Range within Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument. Before the monument was established in 1937, this area served as summer cattle pastures for local ranchers. Whether he's excited or he's... or he just wants to finish this hike. Okay.
We just left the parking lot, and oh my gosh, it's so awesome. Steps already.
He's so convincing, isn't he?
Oh, and a wash, my favorite thing.
I tell you, we're getting a complaint counter. The trail to the Bull Pasture Overlook starts at 2,300 feet and gains about 950 feet in elevation over approximately 2 miles. In our opinion, most people will find this a moderately strenuous hike.
We're going to take Bull Pasture, 1 3/4 miles, according to this sign, and not Bull Pasture through Estes Canyon, which is 2 1/4. That's another extra half a mile.
Which we don't want to do. What's this though? Is it a sign-in board? It is a backcountry board. If you're camping, that's cool. Or just messages and people. That's nice. Maybe we'll sign it if we... Oh good, steps! Maybe we'll sign it if we make it back. Just kidding, we'll make it back.
If you're new to the channel and new to the desert, these boards are important to let people know that you're out here. As you can see, we didn't sign out.
We're not staying out here. We're not camping. It's so they know that there's a car there. They know you put your car registration number and etc. And that way, if they come to survey the area and do their park ranger stuff, they will know that you are not been abandoned and you're backcountry camping. So rangers. Park rangers, no wonder what park rangers. Someone coming. Hey there.
Hey.
The good view at the top?
Not really.
Oh,
There's more mountain tops around.
just more mountains.
You're good. You're good far.
Okay. Let's see. That's funny, huh? Just more peaks. Okay.
Ready or not, here I go.
Oh my goodness. Hey, there's a bench.
That's a good thing after that long walk up the hill.
I was born to be on the run. Shine forever wild and young. Bright as gold eclipse the sun. Ready or not, here I come.
This hike actually continues down into the bowl.
And All Trails has this as a loop trail of 3.9 miles. As we'd already done a strenuous hike that day, we did an out and back to the bowl. That way we still got to enjoy the magnificent views.
Can you feel the power? I'm gonna take you higher, higher. Can you feel the power? Oh, feel my power. Oh, feel my power.
Look at all these fluffies.
Come on, I'll walk you down the aisle.
Oh, you're so cute.
Here, take my arm. Hello!
More echoes. We do like our echoes, don't we? Look at this.
Geology of the area is the result of explosive volcanic eruptions producing rhyolitic lava flows and pyroclastic welded tuff deposits, followed by extensive block faulting causing uplifting of the layers. These uplifted deposits also form most of the structure of the Sauceda Mountains to the north.
From the smallest desert star to the tallest saguaro that either of us had ever seen, this area was filled with more vegetation than we've ever experienced in any desert before. We hope you enjoyed this short hike up to Bull Pasture. If you did, please hit that like button down below. If you're not a subscriber, we drop a new video every Wednesday and Saturday.
And that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts. Standing on the edge of my time.
Our next video will be a hike to a fabulous silver mine. From Cat and Kev, your wilderness wanderers, we'll see you on the trail.
Alright, 'cause I'm free.